very much awaited for me. I love this person so much. None other than Regine Velasquez Alcacid is an undisputed presence in the Philippine music scene. Her encompassing and enduring appeal has impacted the younger generation to reach for different possibilities in the realm of music. To present the award is acclaimed singer, actor, songwriter, and producer, also my very good kuya friend. At ito ang kasama niya na maglakad tuwing umaga sa kanilang village. Mr. Augie Alcacid.
Sabi po sa akin, i-adjust ko yung mic. Wala na i-adjust. Uy, palakpakan naman natin ang Billboard. This is such a wonderful evening, isn't it? You're off to a great start. Congratulations, guys. Wonderful night for the women in Philippine music. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Mahal, I have witnessed your triumphs and your challenges, and I would just like to say that of all the many people who have admired you and followed your career, I am still your #1 fan. Magmula dun sa mga panahon na ikaw ay umaawit sa dagat, na ngayon ay umaawit ka sa swimming pool. You have achieved so much in your career. Di mabilang. But still, you have remained humble, you have remained God-fearing, and you have remained loving and kind. And I think that is your best trait. We call you the Asia Songbird. You are a multi-awarded performer. You have 1.3 million listeners online and 1.62 million streaming followers. And now, you are also Billboard Philippines' first Powerhouse awardee. Miss Regine Velasquez, or Mrs. Regine Velasquez Alcacid, congratulations. I love you.
I never really felt I was an icon. I really didn't. Until like go around the house and thinking, yes, I'm an icon. At the very tender age of 6 years old, I decided that I would be a singer. But I didn't know I was studying really hard. My sister Kakay, she still thinks that I can still fill up a arena. I never felt insecure, never.
More than being an admirer, I like being an inspiration.
Alcacid. Thank you. Isa pong malaking karangalan na mapabilang sa mga kababaihang binibigyan natin ngayon ng parangal. Maraming salamat po sa Billboard Philippines para sa karangalan ito. Alam nyo, bilang isang artist na medyo lumang tao na, nagsimula po ako na batang-bata ako, na ako yung pinakabata, na ngayon ako na yung pinakamatanda. Saya. Parang hindi ako masyado masaya. Ganun talaga ang life.
Yes, aging. Yes, but I have to say na being in this industry, getting older is a challenge, especially for women. First of all, mahirap sa aming mga kababaihan dahil may mga hormones kaming shed. We have to deal with those things, and it changes our voices, it changes our appearance. You know, ang dami-dami namin kailangang harapin. Pero sa industriyang ito, mahirap pag tumatanda ka na sa industry. Nakikita mo na nagbabago na ang lahat. Yung dating, ikaw yung sinisigawan, ikaw yung nagkakaroon ng hits, nararamdaman mo yun unti-unti na hindi na ikaw. But for me, it's fine. Parati pag may nagtatanong sa akin kung ano yung iiwan kong legacy sa industriyang ito, parang feeling ko wala. Meron ba? Well, hindi. Kaya ba na sa akin po kasi hindi masyadong importante kung meron man akong maiwan o wala. I know na makakalimutan ako kasi ganun yun. And it's fine. And it's fine. It's fine with me because ganun po talaga ang panahon. Ganun po talaga ang industriya. And it's not your fault. No, it's just what it is. Siyempre, binibigay natin ang entablado sa mga sumusunod na henerasyong mga singers at songwriters. Pero para po sa akin, ang aking pong legacy ay ang aking anak. Because people will forget about me, will forget about my voice and what I've done in the industry, but my son will always remember me. My son is my legacy. So, buti na naglalak ako. And ito po ay yung pong mga natatamasa kong pagkilala, ito po ay parang team effort. Hindi lang po ako mag-isa na gumawa ng karera ko. Kasama po doon ang tatay ko, ang nanay ko, mga kapatid ko na patuloy po sumusuporta sa akin. Yung mga banda na nakatrabaho ko, yung mga songwriters, mga arrangers na patuloy na nakikipagtrabaho sa akin. Kasama po sila, yung manager ko, dalawa lang naman na actually sila. Yung mga naging manager ko at yung mga taong nakahalubilo ko sa buong industriya, sila po ang tumulong para mabuo po itong aking career for 37 years. And nagpapasalamat po ako sa kanilang lahat. Bagamat sila po ay hindi nababanggit, sila po ay hindi nyo nakikita, sila po ay pati po ng aking career for 37 years. Buong puso ko pong inaalay ang award na ito. At syempre, sa aking asawa, parati pong nag-inspire sa akin at laging sinasabi sa akin na ikaw pa rin ang pinakamagaling kahit alam kong hindi na. Pero malaking bagay yung para sa akin. Thank you for your support and for your inspiration. Thank you very much. At syempre, ang lahat po ng ito ay hindi po mangyayari kung hindi po ako binigyan or pinahiram ng napakagandang talentong ito sa ating po Panginoon. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Para po sa mga kababaihang nandito ngayong gabi, congratulations po. And I am so honored to be here tonight.
natutunan ko ang superpower ni Ate Reg. Alam niyo ba, yung bumibirit ng may candy, hindi lang isa, pero dalawa. Habang bumibirit, may 3 candy po siya sa loob ng kanyang bibig. Ate, congratulations! We will never forget you and your talent, and syempre, 37 years and counting.